The caca doesn't want the yummy? Oh, go show it to them. They might want it. Go tell them it's a yummy, 2 yummies. I think they'll eat it, sweetie, but they might just not want to come down for it. Maybe put it on the table and they'll get it. You think that table there, maybe. They'll get it if you put it on that table. Yeah, I want to try. How many yummies do you have? Good girl. Good girl. They might eat the yummies if you leave them there. Oh, yummy. Are they Ella yummies or caca yummies? Yeah, they're not Ella yummies. Are they Ella yummies?
No.
Oh, no, they're for cacas. Can I see one of them?
No, Mommy. Caca is yummy.
For the cacas?
It's yummy.
Yum, yum, cacas. Come on, come get them, cacas.
It's yummy.
Well, you're trying to feed them, aren't you, honey? You're a good girl. Oh, 2 yummies. Num num. Good girl, sweetie. The cacas will really like that. I bet if you leave them out, they'll come get them, okay? Okay, let's try that. Okay.